Okay, I don't know what number this was, but this problem here that was negative x squared plus 2x minus 2 had an a of negative 1, a b of 2, and a c of negative 2. I wrote out my quadratic formula by plugging in opposite b plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a. There's a and c. And then I divided everything by 2a, which is 2 times negative 1. You're going to go into Desmos and calculate this so you can bring this down here for your answer for the plus version and the minus version. The question was asked, can I interchange the plus and the minus? Yes. You can put the minus one first and the plus one second, all up to you. Question number 65. I have negative 4x squared plus 6x plus 1. My a was negative 4. My b was 6. My c is 1. And then I put the opposite of b, plus or minus b squared minus 4a. There's a and c, and divided by 2a. Find your answer here in Desmos. Forgot to write that. Get your square root. And then bring your answer down after you put what's highlighted into Desmos. Watch your symbols and your typing. Next question. Where am I? X squared minus 5x plus 4. What's a? Dang. What's a? 1. What's b? Thank you for making it negative. And what's c? X equals... Okay, sure, we'll put positive 5 there. That's what makes you happy. Plus or minus the square root of, who goes here? Negative 5. And who's a? And who's c? And it all gets divided by 2 times 1, which is just 2. I really didn't need to write that 1. Then who goes in Desmos? What was that big word? No. Discriminant. Yes, there you go. Negative 5 squared in parentheses is 25 minus 4 times 1, which is 4 times 4 is 16. 25 minus 4. Oh, this is going to be a pretty number. Yeah, you're going to simplify this all the way. You can put this whole thing in Desmos. So you're going to put 5 plus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 1 all over 2. And then 5 minus square root 5 squared minus 4 times 1. I know I switched the 4 and the 1 up, but it doesn't matter because multiplication is commutative. So these will be simplified fractions for this one. Don't yell it out, write it down. Let me go to the next one. Number 9, negative 7x squared minus 2x plus 4. My a is negative 7, b is negative 2, and c is positive 4. Then I'm going to say x equals the opposite of b. What's the opposite of b? Positive 2 plus or minus radical or square root b squared minus 4ac. Put a negative 2 in the square, and then who's a and c? Boom. Then this goes in Desmos. The discriminant, yes. This is 4, and this is 28 times 4 Oh, that's definitely a Desmos. I can't do that off the top of my head right now. And then I'm going to have x equals, but let me make sure it's not a perfect square. No, it's not. Okay, so you're going to leave this as is. So this is going to be 2 plus the square root of whatever I get here divided by negative 14. Is that what you're supposed to be doing? And then x equals 2 minus the square root of whatever I get. So 1 answer, 2 answers, and that's it for now. Then I'm going to have to finish the video.